believes that sewing is an important skill that is quickly becoming lost in the modern world. She invited young girls to join a workshop where she taught an introductory lesson on how to sew a reversible wrap skirt. Together, they sewed 20 skirts, which they donated to Love a Child, an organization serving children in Haiti. By uploading a do-it-yourself reversible skirt video, she hopes others will be inspired to create and donate clothes to the less fortunate.
I hope this project would inspire others by them wanting to also reach out and make skirts or make other clothing items and continue to sew and teach others how to sew. My biggest challenge was trying to actually get it started because we had a lot of issues getting the girls situated and cutting out the patterns. Some of the pieces were the wrong side, and sometimes the sewing machine would jam up and we'd have to fix that, and just a lot of little things happened. I would definitely recommend doing the Gold Award, and I would recommend planning out your timeline so you make sure you have everything finished early and not to waste time. I've been a Girl Scout for 12 years, and the Girl Scout program has helped me grow by seeing my potential and helping me make new friends and seeing what I truly love. My name is Erika Miller, and I'm a Gold Award Girl Scout.